What's good, beautiful people? You still tuned in to Nice Entertainment with your host with the most. And man, I got a talented artist right here. He just hopped on stage and he's gonna tell us who he is, what he does, and what he intends to do with his craft, man. Please introduce yourself to Nice Entertainment right there.
Hey, what's up, guys? Nice Entertainment. This is Onesimus, and I'm on Nice Entertainment. Everything is mwah.
Everything is nah. You already heard it from himself, man. So how are you feeling the energy out there? Did you enjoy your performance?
Yeah, well,
and what gravitating you towards this event?
You know, I enjoyed the performance, and shout out to Nice Entertainment for being at Made in Mzansi. They are made in Mzansi. Nice Entertainment. So to me, it was really incredible and amazing to be such a part of great artists, great musicians like Emos, Mahu, you know, Big Zulu. This just to mention a few. So to me, it's an honor really to be on the lineup.
Oh, okay. So can you please tell us if you got any new music, any new projects coming up, and where can people find you? Where can people follow you on all social media platforms? Give them the titles so they can know who the man next to me is, man. Let's go.
This guy's putting me on the spot. He's always on the spot and he wants to put me on the spot. Ladies and gentlemen, I am dropping a song with Bassie.
Oh, okay, that's dope. That's dope.
Titled My Defender.
Wamalanga hitmaker Bassie, you heard him?
Yes,
you heard him?
Bassie. My Defender. That's the song dropping month end of October.
All right.
You get me, huh?
Yeah.
And you can find me on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. The name is Onesimus Music, music with Muzik. On TikTok it's Onesimus Music with 1, but everywhere else is Onesimus Music 1. Shout out to Nice Entertainment. Everything is mwah.
Onesimus Music, Zany Bambino, Nice Entertainment.
Zany Bambino. Why is Zany Bambino?
Zany, I feel like I'm very comical and I enjoy the vibe that people resonate off me. And then Bambino is a young child of God wrapped in swaddling clothes, as you can see.
I see your ears.
And
can you give me this?
This
Can you give me this, bro? Bro, I need the anointing.
But this guy is already iced, man. Nice Entertainment.
Nice Entertainment. We keep it now. We are.